Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love nature, especially birds, and currently looking for a bird bath or garden bird bath which will attract any backyard bird that is roaming around your neighborhood? If you're looking for a bird bath, then the Kozy Bird Bath non-heated with Pedestal would be the perfect product for you. This is a non-heated bird bath that includes a pedestal. Now you can make sure that lovely birds will flock into your garden to sip and bathe in your bird bath. This is ideal for your lawn, garden, yard, or patio. Here are its product information. Type is non-heated. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 25 by 14.5 by 14.5. Weight is 13 pounds. Your friends, guests, and family members will surely notice this bird bath. The long wait is over. You can have the Kozy Bird Bath non-heated with Pedestal today at a very affordable price. And see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.